In this video, we'll show you how to couple your HERA Hyperspectral camera with the microscope. This is the microscope adapter. The top part should be connected to HERA, and the bottom part should be connected to the microscope. Noting that it's reverse thread, unscrew the red ring to remove the top part. Remove the cap. Then screw the disc onto the threaded aperture of HERA. To couple HERA with a microscope, the microscope should have a C-mount port. Screw the adapter onto the C-mount port of the microscope. Once tightened, check that the focus is set to infinity and that the iris is fully open. It's time to mount HERA. Place the HERA onto the adapter, and following the direction of the arrow printed on the ring, tighten the red retaining ring to fix HERA to the microscope. Set the focus on the HERA's body to the near position, and close the iris entirely. Connect the two USB cables to the HERA. And also the power supply. Now we can connect the two USB cables to our computer. And we can launch the HERA Acquisition app. Connect to the camera by clicking the power button next to the camera name. Now let's align the camera. Remember that we've set the focus to the fully near position and the iris is totally closed. Now we can loosen slightly the red retaining ring and move the body of the camera to set the center of the illuminated spot on the green cross. The camera is aligned and we can now tighten the ring and open the iris fully. Now we can place our sample in the microscope, adjust the focus and the position of the sample, and we're ready to measure.